Nature contains pure, universal, God's source energy. Nature can be a portal to connecting with the present moment, with oneness, with enlightenment, with God. Nature can allow us to connect with the highest version of ourselves, with the version of us that is fulfilled, happy, relaxed, joyful, appreciative, grateful about everything and everyone, the version of us that is in harmony with our life and everyone around us. Let these words be a meditation, a contemplation, so they can become your experience. Bookmark this and listen again and again for maximum benefits. Like, comment yes if you agree, and share with others.